Hello everyone and welcome back to Wonderland Explorers. Tonight takes us to Magic Kingdom.
Oh, and I'm so excited. I've been waiting. Happily Ever After has returned and tonight is the first night. But we're not going just to watch the fireworks show tonight. No. What are we going to do?
No, we're going to the Happily Ever After dessert party.
Ooh, I'm so excited. This is my first dessert party I've ever been to. I'm excited. I haven't ate desserts for like 4 days. He hasn't ate desserts for like 4 weeks. So we're diving in.
We've been watching it a little bit.
Yeah, we're trying to make it.
So we're celebrating in more ways than one. It's going to be a celebration of having sweets, a celebration and a return of Happily Ever After, seeing the fireworks, spending time with friends. It's going to be an amazing evening. So fun. You know we love this show.
You know tears are coming too.
It's going to be incredible. It's going to be a good time. Come along with us as we explore.
Asking yourself at this point, why is this girl so obsessed with this Happily Ever After? Oh my gosh, if you have never seen it, it's worth seeing. Just the storyline, oh, you have like excitement, and then you have tears, and then you're like, oh, love, sweet job finding true love, and oh, it's so good. The story plot along the whole show.
It has good nods to like classic Disney films.
Classic.
It ties in a good storyline, which makes sense to adults as much as it does children. So I think for like a lot of those reasons, it's just such a phenomenal nighttime show. And it was running here for so long, up until obviously the 50th when they introduced Enchantment.
Yeah.
And quite frankly, it was not a show that we particularly enjoyed. So when they announced the return of Happily Ever After, like hold on, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself there. Like, we were so sad that Happily Ever After was going away when they announced Enchantment. So the fact that it's back, Enchantment went bye-bye. And everything's back to normal. This is just fantastic.
Oh, and I know the shows, like the fireworks shows, are really pretty too. But even if you just listen to the soundtrack, like in your car, jamming out to it, which we do. If you're ever like in a bad mood, just play that. It's on YouTube. It's like purple. It has little ears. Oh, it's so good. And it's a whole. And you have to get the narrator in there too.
Oh yeah,
he is what makes it. Like, oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's just, and it has like the favorite songs. You can't help but sing along. You can't help but cry and get emotional. It's great.
All right. Charles Schulz once said, all you need is love, but a little bit of chocolate every now and then doesn't hurt. And that's definitely what we're going to be doing tonight. We're going to be indulging on some desserts at the Happily Ever After dessert party. Basically, it's $99 per adult, $59 for kids. But it's kind of cool how they break this down. Pretty much, you arrive an hour early. You go to the Tomorrowland Terrace, which is in between sort of like the hub and Main Street / Tomorrowland. And you get to sit there and eat all the desserts you want. You have cheeses, maybe you have like crackers. There's even adult beverages for adults. I'm wondering if those are all you care to enjoy. That will be kind of interesting to check that out. But I am super pumped for this. Like, I can see there's tons of people coming. It's getting busier. My gosh, we're getting so close.
Okay, it's 6:30. What are the crowd levels like? I'm anticipating they're going to get really bad really soon. But I did come prepared. I did find this cute little shirt on Amazon. It's little princesses. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I want to make our way a little bit down Main Street to show you the crowd levels before we go into our party. Hey ho! So come along with me.
So with the end of March here at Walt Disney World came the end of the 50th celebration for Walt Disney World. One of the things that we're seeing is that obviously a lot of the decorations have been coming down rather rapidly, but probably the most notable is on the castle. The big giant 50th medallion is gone. And as you can see, the 50th medallion's now gone, but they kept the gold ribbon that wraps around the spires. And of course, they have the 50th anniversary color palette still all over the castle. So we are all checked in and they actually give us like a little wristband, but we are set to roam about the buffet area and check out all the desserts, all the drinks they have. I'm really excited for this. So let's take a tour of everything they have to offer. The first thing I was very curious about is if you can like actually like partake in all you care to enjoy adult beverages. And the answer is basically yes. You can grab up to 2 drinks at one time. There's quite a selection. I'm telling you, I think in addition to the desserts, you can get into a little bit of trouble here. If you're not interested in alcohol, they definitely have some Pog juice, strawberry lemonade. There's Minute Maid lemonade, unsweet tea, water, and even milk. And if you've been on the go way too long in the parks all day, they have you set with some Twinings tea, and of course, some coffee options, decaf and high test coffee from Joffrey's. Taking a look at the desserts, we have a chocolate silk pie. Oh man, cookies and cream mousse. We have a chocolate covered strawberry. Back there is a chilling chamber pop. Oh wow. Tres leches coconut cake soaked with 4 flour mixture. Look at that. In the back we have a devil's chocolate pudding. Then we have Firehouse donuts. Oh, I can smell the cinnamon from here. In the back we have a butterscotch pudding, chocolate and vanilla cake bites, some fruit, cheeses, assorted bread. Oh my goodness. Over here we have a caramel apple crepe. Oh wow, even got the little sauce on there too. Oh wow. So we've wrapped up our first half of the dessert party. We've thoroughly enjoyed the buffet. It was really, really fun. We tried a bunch of different desserts. I think of all the ones that I showed you, the crepe and the tres leches was our favorite. And of course, we even tried some champagne. It was just really, really fun. And of course, we're here with some friends and it's just been a blast so far. Now, it's about like 8:15, so we have a little while before the show actually starts, but they recommended that we start to head over to the viewing area just so we can reserve a spot because it does even tend to fill up quickly over there. So I think we're gonna make our way over and get our spot for Happily Ever After. It's incredible, it's almost here. We are about 15 minutes out from the show. Obviously, there are so many more people here now. It is completely packed. We are getting prepared to reach out and grab the Happily Ever After. This is obviously, we're so excited for this.
Good evening, dreamers of all ages. In just a few minutes, the Magic Kingdom invites you to enjoy our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After, presented by Pandora Dreamers. Tonight's performance, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. Our dream will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
You'll be ready to reach out and reach out and grab.
The Happily Ever After.
Happily Ever After.
Ooh, yeah.
It's about to start.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in. Watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, new day. Every choice we make helps us find our
and anything can happen.
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
Trust me, having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
Look inside of yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
We changed our way, we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky.
We all have the courage to fly. You can fly.
Please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Magic Kingdom.
You can really say that show went out with a bang.
Yeah, my God. Like, we just enjoyed it so much. I mean, you got the goosebumps. I know people were crying. The emotions were high. It was just fantastic as always. We absolutely loved everything about it.
Yeah.
But we have a lot more coming.
We do.
I think we're going to break this up. We'll definitely be back in the next video. We'll probably do our review, Happily Ever After. Of course, it's not the only time we're going to be checking out Happily Ever After.
Back again and again.
And we have to talk about the dessert party and everything that we enjoyed about it. But we definitely wanted to get you guys the first showing of Happily Ever After, so you could feel like you were there with us this night before. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe. And as always, till next time, friends, bye.